Oskabusio mayanda ni gabwata inse asiskuro ya baisike ya utumishi yogotoka sensemo ya Gilgil ime county ya Nakuru. Maiga yeskuru yo Koyia asenyomba yoboraro obutko ubugokera lero. Abanyaruka 15 noyo OMOWAZIRI obugima bwabo chingaki abanyaruka 29 Abaorokigwa senyagitari nabo igokorwaliwa na kwendaka batano na babere baba konganyigwa korwa sensemo ya Nakuru goikase county ya Nairobi ilinde kwenyolera obogwenia okwano OMOWAZIRI wetiseme Julius OGAMBA kurasti nsemecho nigo arulengora gocha abaiboli ne amateri abakegosiria abamwabo aenikire gutuki gochakigwa chingaki umuriro yo obakogotiboka.
A sad day today that we woke up with the sad news of a fire incident at this school, Utumishi Senior School, where at about 12:45 a.m. a fire broke out in one of the dorms on the second floor of that particular dorm. And the dorm is completely destroyed, together with a lot of injuries to our learners. And unfortunately, we lost some of our learners in that incident. I'm going to give you those figures. Ladies and gentlemen, this particular school has a total girls population of 815 girls. At the time of the incident, the girls that were in school were 808. 7 of the girls were at home for various reasons. Out of the 808 girls, 79 were injured and taken to the hospital. They were treated, and 71 of them were discharged. We have 7 currently admitted, and 1 has been picked by the parent from the hospital. Out of that number of 808, we have 16 fatalities whose identities will be identified. The process of accounting will be taking place with our investigators. It's an unfortunate incident. At the time of the fire, responses were received from our security agencies, and we'll be talking more about it, from STU, KDF, County Fire Brigade, and the Kenya Red Cross, among others. The response teams, of course, managed to put out the fire by about 3 a.m., but by then the damage had already been done. Investigations are ongoing, and there's a hotline number 1199, to which we'll be asking the parents to keep reporting, especially those who might have left with their kids when they came earlier. And that hotline number will also be available for counseling. Take this opportunity to pass, on behalf of the minister and myself, our condolences to the families, and continue wishing those who are injured quick recovery.